that's Becca's lip gloss ring. And I, Olivia, your favorite YouTube fan, is making lip gloss with my friend Jaelynn at her first time filming. So, Jaelynn, can you mix this in? Can you like pat it like that and do that and like do that with your spatula? It's Jaelynn's first time doing this and her first time doing on YouTube.
And it's so simple, right?
Yeah. Oh, that's the lid. Oh my, there goes the lid.
Oh my.
Okay, so pat it and mix it and do everything you can. And then I'm gonna get some boys. The boys, like the teenager boy and the kids and like the Jaden's brothers to try on this lip gloss and then it'll be mine.
I got mine on and I love it.
Yes,
I actually have little hearts on my lips too. It feels so pretty.
Olivia, here are the teenage boys.
Here's the teenage boys.
Okay, I'm gonna make this so you guys can put on. You guys are gonna put this on. So, would you like to try a new form of lip gloss?
Yes.
Okay, a boy said yes to lip gloss. That's great. But he said yes, so we do it for the YouTube video. I also want hearts in my thing. Okay. So, I just made my lip gloss and I am going to do something really silly.
Could you put it on him?
Yeah. Let me use this.
Okay, pucker up.
I know how to do this.
Put your lips together, Kaden.
Yeah.
Let's see, Kaden. Oh, that's nice.
You have hearts everywhere.
Wait, one more time. Ready? Just give me a good. There you go.
Picture.
Okay, okay, Olivia.
Okay, so this is what it looks like.
Great big brother.
Picture time. Okay, goodbye everyone. Wrap it up time.
Wait, ask if Jaelynn wants to say anything.
Jaelynn, would you like to say anything to the video? Yes. What?
No, not this out. Come on.
Kids.
Goodbye, princesses, and we are going home.
Yay!
She said we played princesses and we're having fun today.
All right, you gonna wrap it up?
And goodbye, we're wrapping it up. So, ending pop. Yay!
And what do you say at the end?
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and remember to be happy every day. Bye.
Bye!
And don't forget, it's just video.